So, I have a Yamaha 115, and I just had my 100-hour service done prior to the 100 hours. I need to reset my maintenance indicator up here. It's in the top right. So supposedly this is the process to do that. So let's give it a shot. That process is to hold down the mode button for 4 seconds, press the set button, and then hold down both the set and mode button at the same time. So let's give that a shot here. So I'm going to hold that for 4 seconds. Alright, we're on that blinking screen there, and you were supposed to press set once, and then hold them both down again. And there you go, that indicator light has now gone off. So once again, if you have your maintenance indicator light come on and your tech, or you need to reset it on your own, the motor is not running. I just have the ignition set on, so these would come online. That is, press the mode button for 4 seconds. You should get a blinking hour indicator coming up with your hours. Press the set button once, and then press mode and set at the same time. And I'm going to turn it back off. I'll turn it back on, make sure it is indeed gone away. And looking good. Awesome.